Kellogg Essay 1. Kellogg's purpose is to educate, equip, and inspire brave leaders who create lasting value. Tell us about a time you have demonstrated leadership and created lasting value. What challenges did you face and what did you learn? First of all, Kellogg here is asking for only one experience. You can use any story from your professional career, your non-profit experience, or from your extracurricular activities. I prefer that you use a story from your professional life. But if you have an excellent story from your non-profit experience or extracurricular activities, then feel free to use that story in this essay. Creating lasting value implies bringing something new to the table. Let us suppose that you pursued a growth opportunity in your company that no one had ever considered before. It worked and now it's a stable source of revenue for your company. Or maybe your company earlier was focused on X, but you changed your company's focus from X to Y. And by virtue of this change, there are some tangible benefits that your organization will get over many years. These are some good examples of creating lasting values. Now, let me ask you a few questions that will help you to decide your story. Have you championed any Six Sigma initiative in your company? Have you spearheaded any strategic project that significantly improved your company's bottom line? Have you led an initiative to launch new products in emerging markets? Or have you led your company's any corporate social responsibility initiatives? Or have you been a board member of any local nonprofit? All these are appropriate examples of creating lasting values. Now focus on the word brave in the essay prompt. It implies that there were risks involved in the process, as without any risk, bravery is simply not needed. Don't just measure the significance of an experience solely in dollar amount saved or percentage improvements made in some IT systems. Evaluate the challenges that you faced in your journey and the lessons that you have learned. Show them how you faced the challenges along your path. Did you stretch yourself to coordinate across internal teams located in different countries? Or did you face any interpersonal challenge from a hostile colleague with whom you had to develop a good working relationship? Did you manage any third-party vendor or purchase industrial products from vendors in China or South Korea? Or did you manage virtual teams in Asia or Middle East? And did you face any cross-cultural challenges in that activity? As you structure this essay, spend some time to set up the background of the story. Then use the rest of the space to describe precisely what you did, thought, and felt. Use specific details to differentiate yourself from others. The secret of writing a great essay is to focus on what you learned from this experience. You should highlight the transferable skills that you learned during this challenging phase of your career. Finally, don't forget to mention teamwork, which is a core value of Kellogg. When Kate Smith, the Assistant Dean of Admissions at Kellogg, announced this essay question in the school blog, she also noted that we are looking for those individuals who have found or plan to find unique ways to demonstrate the Kellogg purpose in their careers. As you consider leadership in particular, keep in mind that Kellogg was the school that pioneered the team-based learning model that is now ubiquitous among the top business schools. We want all of our students to be able to step up when their teams need them. So, choose a leadership example that showcases your ability to rally others around you, to achieve a target, and to guide them towards an objective. Your ability to work with people from diverse backgrounds will demonstrate maturity and interpersonal skills. Now, how to differentiate yourself from others? Every applicant is going to write his or her best leadership experience in this essay. Hence, you need to write the in-depth perspectives on leadership and management that you have learned from this chapter of your life. How did you create value, not just for yourself, but for your entire team or for your entire company? Show the admissions team how the lesson learned through this experience will help you to contribute to your peers at Kellogg. Such information will certainly make the admissions team want to explore your leadership potential in an interview. Kellogg Essay 2. Values are what guide you in your life and work. What values are important to you and how have they influenced you? Now, what are your values? Values are your core beliefs. They define what kind of human being you are. They guide your thinking and action. Hence, Kellogg want to understand your values as they want to understand what kind of human being you are. They want to understand what drives you, what inspires you to do whatever you do. For example, if you ask former President Barack Obama what are his values, he probably would say that one of his core values is to help the poor people. That's the reason he reformed the US healthcare system and provided healthcare to millions of poor in America. Similarly, if you ask this question to former President George W. Bush, he definitely would say that protecting America from its enemies at any cost is one of his core values. That was the reason he launched wars against Iraq and Afghanistan to dismantle the terrorist infrastructure and save Americans from any terrorist attack. Now, despite lots of criticism and personal unpopularity, he kept on fighting those wars as he believed that he needed to destroy Al-Qaeda and Saddam Hussein, who were staunch enemies of the United States. Personal unpopularity or tremendous cost of those wars in terms of trillions of dollars did not stop him from doing something that he believed from the core of his heart. Similarly, if you ask President Donald Trump what values are important to him, he might say that winning competitions is one of his core values. He hates to lose and can go to any extent to win. Despite being a career businessman, he ran for the highest political office in the United States, defeated all Republican presidential contenders in the primaries, and then defeated Hillary Clinton in the main election. Now, some of the tactics he adopted is questionable. But then there is no doubt that he just wants to win at any cost. Finally, if you ask this question to any entrepreneur such as Mark Zuckerberg or Elon Musk or Bill Gates, they would say that one of their core beliefs is to pursue their dreams at any cost. Hence, Steve Jobs started Apple in the garage of his apartment, and Mark Zuckerberg started Facebook in his Harvard dorm room. The day these great entrepreneurs started their business journey, they did not even think about failure. They did not think that one day they might go bankrupt and they may have to search for a job. They had a dream and they pursued that dream relentlessly. They can tell you that how their entrepreneurial venture have shaped them as a human being as well as a leader. As you can see, that value drives any leader's action. Now the question is, what you will do as a leader in future will be driven by your values. Hence, Kellogg want to understand your values. Moreover, they want to know how your values have shaped you. So write about 2 or 3 values and explain with suitable example how these values have shaped you as a leader. One final word. When announcing this essay in the official blog of Kellogg, Kate Smith, the Assistant Dean of Admissions, wrote, "Our goal is to uncover what motivates and inspires you. What drives you? How will this make you a meaningful member of the Kellogg community?" This question reflects Kellogg's interest in identifying students who are in a position to contribute meaningfully to the Kellogg community. So, do an in-depth research on the various aspects of the Kellogg MBA program and figure out how you can contribute to its classroom discussions, case studies, clubs, conferences, and various other extracurricular activities in the Kellogg campus. If you can write that what you will contribute to Kellogg in great details, that definitely can differentiate you brilliantly from hundreds of other applicants. That's it. These are my tips for all applicants to the Kellogg MBA program. In case you want to work with me on the Kellogg MBA essays, please send me an email. My mail ID and contact numbers are given below in the description. You can also check out my website. I will be glad to help you with the Kellogg application essays. Thank you and good luck.